Today, I am giving you a tour of 13231 West Red Range Way in Peoria, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Peoria, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Peoria. This exceptional open concept, split floor plan home beautifully combines modern comfort with thoughtful upgrades and even features solar for energy efficiency. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, this home offers both privacy and functionality. Toward the front of the home, you'll find 2 well-sized guest rooms, thoughtfully positioned to offer privacy from the main living area. These rooms share easy access to a full bathroom. And just off the great room is a cozy office nook with natural light that makes it both functional and inviting. Additional features that enhance this home's appeal include an internal laundry with a washer and dryer, a garage with complete epoxy flooring, a soft water system, and a full solar system, reducing your utility costs while being environmentally friendly. Located in the desirable Northern Vistancia neighborhood in Peoria, this home offers not only a stunning interior and beautiful outdoor space, but also the peace of mind that comes from being in a well-maintained, welcoming community. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. The great room is truly the heart of the home. It's designed with bi-parting double sliding glass doors that open up to the backyard. The bright white cabinetry in the kitchen contrasts beautifully with the quartz countertops and stylish backsplash, creating a clean, modern aesthetic that's as functional as it is visually appealing. Notice the stunning dark wood grain tile flooring that runs throughout the main living spaces, giving the home a warm, cohesive feel. At the rear of the home is the master suite, designed to be a tranquil escape. This serene space includes a spacious walk-in closet, a walk-in shower, and a private commode area, giving you both comfort and convenience in your day-to-day routine. And finally, step outside to your private, custom landscaped patio and yard, where artificial turf, cut stone benches, and built-in planters provide a low-maintenance, yet visually stunning outdoor retreat. This is truly a must-see property. If you're looking for a thoughtfully designed home that checks all the boxes, modern finishes, functional layout, energy-efficient upgrades, and fantastic outdoor living, look no further. You will absolutely love it.